This is a sneak preview of what I've been working on this week for Store Locator Plus 4.7.3. So CC and Mario, these are things that you might want to know about as well. I've done some serious retooling inside the guts of Store Locator Plus to make the admin interface more extensible, but one of the main reasons for it is to provide a far superior locator interface than the current static CSS files called plugin styles with WordPress headers built in. So what you can see here is if I go into the Experience View tab, you'll see this new style interface that I'm in the middle of working on. It's just the first iteration here. There's a little bit more functionality to be tied in. But you can see there's a couple of styles here, above all style, a little image, description of the text, what add-ons it supports, what my SLP levels it supports, so it's for both products, kind of cross-promotes both of them right in the admin interface. And you can actually click these and jump over to those pages right from inside the admin tab, and that will open up a new link right to the products that are supported by that plugin style. And the nice thing about this is these are all built on the fly from a new Premier Server plugin that's running on the core website. So we can now, without having to release new file updates to users, we can actually just create a new post type called a Locator style post type, put in a little image here, text, whatever we want. Whatever is on this content is what is displayed back here. And we'll be tying in some additional settings here through some of the extra data interaction provided by the WordPress REST API that will actually set all the layout controls for the users, much like these style sheets do down here. But this is going to be completely driven from our server. Some nice things that come along with it is Security is providing caching, so it's not reloading that JSON request all the time. We have to go and clear the cache at Security or have it time out every 24 hours, so it will keep the server load fairly low. We'll also do some transients to make sure that if the server goes down, people will retain their latest list of settings that they have. Those won't change. That system's going to stay in place. But this makes for a much nicer interface. Virtually no coding in Store Locator Plus other than some basic REST API calls to our server. Very little coding, in fact, on the back end. The Premier Service plugin that's running on the site has very little custom code as well. It's using mostly the core WordPress REST API with a couple of little, things added, little technical gadgets. So this is what's coming in 4.7.3 of Store Locator Plus. This is going to let us create a much nicer user experience by controlling all the various settings of the admin experience. So anyway, I just wanted to show you a sneak preview. As I said, not completely done, but you can already see how this layout is far superior to this drop down and sidebar and all that sort of stuff, and I think it's going to really improve our user experience. Feedback welcome. Please let me know what you think, and I'm going to continue knocking this out here. Hopefully have it ready for beta next week. Thanks.